Hi, if you are a student preparing for NEET SSDM medical group for a NEET SSDM clinical super specialty program, then this video is for you. Two important information I'm going to share with you. Number one, NEET SS 2025 dates has been announced as November 7th and 8th. Number two, the most important information for all those students who are preparing for NEET SS November exam and NESS November exam, that new edition of Harrison has come. The new edition of Harrison is 22nd edition of Harrison. So the crux is this: 3 months to go on from now on. The thing is, for those students who are in DM medical group preparing for Super Speciality DM exams, they have to go through Harrison 22nd edition. So far if you are prepared from 21st edition, for the upcoming exam, there are high chances that the questions could be from the 22nd edition of Harrison. So those students who are preparing for NESS exam, 25 questions will come from your feeder branch of a medical group, that is from Harrison 22nd edition. So for both the groups, you are at to prepare from Harrison 22nd edition because the chances of you getting the question on the upcoming exams are very, very, very high. So at Speed, we have coming up with Harrison 22nd edition based classes. So it is going to be a live classes daily and also weekend classes little more hours, and it is going to be a quick and a short premium course for you to cover the entire Harrison 22nd edition within 3 months of time before your exams. So the schedule is up and it's going to be posted to you, and you need to go on from the new edition. If you want to learn from Harrison, you need to learn from the latest edition of Harrison, because the last edition to this edition is almost 5 years. The changes will be there, changes are prone to happen, and these changes could reflect in the actual NEET SS November exam of 2025 or NESS exam of November 2025. So let us be prepared, well prepared and fully prepared with the expert faculty members of Speed. We are on toes to give you the latest updates and the latest aspects of a Harrison 22nd edition. Here we are to learn through that, and those residents who want to prepare, want to learn from Harrison 22nd edition if you have not started your preparation. Okay, so I wish you all the best and all the success for the upcoming NEET SS 2025 exam and NESS 2025 exam, and prepare through Harrison 22nd edition through Speed Learning app from expert Speed faculty members. What are you waiting for? Scan the QR code or click the link below. Register yourself for Harrison 22nd edition based classes from Speed Learning app to enhance the results and get topmost rank and get the super specialty seat of your choice.